At the Career and Technology Center, students from all over Carroll County come together to gain technical skills in numerous specialized programs. Every day, these students are excelling, and we want to highlight some of these remarkable students. Today's student is Ryan Clark. Ryan is a senior at Winters Mill High School and a member of the Welding Program. At Winters Mill, he is a member of FFA. At Career and Tech, Ryan states that his favorite part of the Welding Program is being able to work as a team, learning the tricks of the welding trade, and just becoming a better welder. Welding instructor Mike Swinesberg says, Ryan Clark is one of those students who you can tell is going to be successful in welding. He is not only learning about welding, but also brings skills from other areas such as automotive, electrical, and carpentry. Ryan has made a positive impact on the welding program. When Ryan is not in school or cutting wood to sell, he loves riding dirt bikes and building things. He recently built a compressor house. Additionally, he loves practicing welding and was a competitor in the welding competition at this year's Skills USA state competition. After graduation, Ryan plans to work in a local welding shop and hopes to own his own truck for a hauling business.